Good evening, students. Okay, it is a sum from B.B.Dam book. Okay, Partnership Fundamentals. You see here, Pradeep and Sudeep are partners in a firm. Their capital accounts as on April 1, 2020 showed a balance of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh respectively. So Pradeep has an opening balance of 2 lakh and Sudeep has an opening balance of 1 lakh. On June 1, 2020, Pradeep introduced additional capital of rupees 40,000. That is on, okay, so additional capital was introduced on June 1, 2020 in case of Pradeep. And on 1st September 2020, Sudeep introduced additional capital of rupees 30,000. On October 1, 2020, Pradeep withdrew rupees 20,000. So on October 1, 2020, Pradeep has withdrawn an amount of rupees 20,000 from his capital, that is 2 lakh. So his 2 lakh amount remains invested in the business for 6 months. Yes or no? After 6 months, that is on October 1, 2020, he has withdrawn rupees 20,000. And on December 1, 2020, Sudeep withdrew rupees 10,000 from their capitals. Okay, and on December 1, Sudeep has withdrawn rupees 10,000 from their capitals. Okay, that is from 1 lakh. Interest is allowed at the rate 9% per annum. You have been asked to calculate interest on capital for both the partners for the year ending March. It will be 2021. Okay, not 2020. For the year ending March 2021. Okay, so let us complete the sum. Okay, here you see calculation of interest on capital. So for Pradeep, opening balance is 2 lakh and it was introduced in the business from April 1, 2020 till October 1, 2020, that is for 6 months. Interest is charged at the rate 9% per annum. Therefore, interest on capital will be 2 lakh into 9% into 6 by 12, that is 9,000. Then there is a drawings on October 1, 2020 of rupees 20,000. So his opening balance of capital gets reduced by 20,000. So it becomes 1,80,000 for the next 6 months. So therefore interest on new capital equals to rupees 1,80,000 into 9 by 100 into 6 by 12, that is 8,100. Again, additional capital was introduced on June 1, 2020 of rupees 40,000 at the rate 9% per annum. So therefore interest on this additional capital will be 40,000 into 9 by 100. And since it was introduced on June 1, 2020, so from June you calculate June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So it's 10 months. So 10 by 12, you will get rupees 3,000. So therefore total interest of capital for Pradeep will be, okay, this is number 1, 9,000, number 2 is 8,100 and number 3 is 3,000. So adding all these three figures, we will get the total interest of capital for Pradeep, which is 20,100. Okay, and for Sudeep you are going to calculate yourself. Okay, I have given you this as a homework. Okay, the final answer will be 10,275. Okay, so hope you have understood my explanation for this sum. If you like my video, okay, and my explanation, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for today.